Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can power off, restart and remap the Bixby button or the power button or the side button on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So out of the box, if you press and hold the side button or what we know as the power button, Bixby kicks in. So how do you fix this? Well, all you need to do is go into settings. Once you are in the settings section, you will go into advanced features, then go into side key, and here it is. Press and hold. Right now wake Bixby is selected. We're going to select power off menu, and now if I press and hold the power button, bam, here it is. I have my power off menu. I can power off my A54 5G, restart, or press an emergency call. Now two other ways of accessing this power menu are: one is by swiping down on your quick settings panel twice, and then besides the settings icon you will have the power button, which is going to bring up the power menu. The other option is to press and hold power and volume down at the same time, and once you do that you're going to feel a little vibration, and then also you will have the power menu. So from here also you can power off, restart, or place an emergency call. Now what if your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is hung or stuck and the touch is not working? Well, in that case, if you have to force restart your device, all you have to do is keep volume down and power button pressed at the same time, and even when you see the power off menu, keep them pressed, and bam, here it is. We have successfully force rebooted our Samsung Galaxy A54 5G.